Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs outward to unlock and remove battery. Unscrew, then remove access door. Then disconnect antennas and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Unscrew at bottom base. Next, use thin object to pry apart keyboard. Disconnect and remove keyboard. Now unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Then disconnect display cable. Next, disconnect and remove DC jack. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.